In this video, we will learn about how to organize qualitative data and how to represent them in graphical form. Qualitative data is organized using frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is the list of all categories and the number of elements that belong to each categories. For example, mouse, keyboard, headphones are the categories. 136, 50, and 25 is the element that belongs to each of this category. Next, I will show you another example. In this example, 10 pets in each family is recorded. This is the data that is produced. It shows C, D, D, C, C, and D, D, C, C. C is the representation of cat, while D is the representation of dog. We will tally the amount or frequency of the pets. First, we will count dog. For dog, there will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the frequency for dog is 4. Now to the cat. For cat, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The tally for cat is 6, meaning the frequency for cat is 6. The total sum of the frequency is the same number of the population. There is also relative frequency and percentage distribution in organizing qualitative data. Relative frequency is the ratio of the frequency of a category to the total number of observations. Relative frequency is done by dividing the frequency of a category by the sum of all the frequency. Percentage distribution, on the other hand, is done by multiplying relative frequency by 100. We will use the other example to show this. For example, pet, dog, cat. The frequency for dog is 4, while the frequency for cat is 6. So, the relative frequency for dog is 4 divided by 10, which is the sum of all frequency. This equals to 0.4, while cat is 6 divided by 10 equals to 0.6. While the percentage is the relative frequency multiplied by 100. So the percentage for dog is 0.4 multiplied by 100, which is 40%. While the cat is 0.6 multiplied by 100 equals to 60. The sum of relative frequency will always equals to 1, while the sum of percentage is always equal to 100. On to the next one, which is graphical representation. There are two common techniques for representing qualitative data, which is pie chart and bar graph. Pie charts are divided into portions that represents the relative frequency or percentage of a population or a sample belonging to different category. For this example, we will use the percentage. While bar graph, on the other hand, are graphs that are made of bars whose height is represented by frequencies of respective categories. That is all. Thank you.